Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzy. You are welcome to my channel. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So today I will be showing you how I achieve my jumbo box braid. I use color 2 and color 6. Is this extension that come with 2 color? Then I divide it into 3 places, because if I say let me divide it into 4 places, finishing it will have that tiny mouth, so it will not have that short mouth. So I cut it into 3 places, then mix it together. It come with this color. What I do for the back side of my hair, I use rubber to tie the tip, like fold it into 2 places, use rubber to tie it, because if I say I should braid it like that, my hair is long to the place I'm going to cut the extension, so I can trim my hair like that. Not to trim my hair, then I use rubber to fold it into 2 places. I just do that for the back side, because before I finish the center to braid it to the down, it will be that length. My hair will not long to where I will cut it. Tying it like this was before I even move to the other hair. Plaiting it will lose, because the synthetic is plastic synthetic though. So I just think of using rubber to tie it. When I see before I finish this one will lose again before I finish this one. Then that was the good option, using rubber to tie it. I just repeat this process until I get to front side.
Oh, that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. One boy need your money,
I'm done braiding the back side. Moving to front side, I still have to section it like this, because I want the hair to be full, not too scanty and not too over full, like it will be moderate, something like that. Then I still have to put part, like if I want to pack it anywhere I want to pack it, there will be a part for that place. If it's middle, center part, like middle is center part, right? Side part, and anywhere I want to pack it. The total extension I used for this hair was 3.5 waist extension, like the God. So I used 3.5 to achieve this look, because the braid is big and I have to trim it to have that short mouth from the down, like the bob on. The up, the extension was not enough. I have to use black to finish it. After finishing it, then I add some accessory to make it more beautiful. Then add some accessory for the tip of the hair, not all, almost finish adding accessory. Then do my makeup. That is the end of this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Hit that subscribe down below, turn on notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will not miss any of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye.
One by one, them a stepping on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man, I tell him, me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. Bad man the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show. never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Aye. Bad man, me a wanna lover. Aye. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh, ooh. Man a telling me they go, go. See the girl, them a slow, slow. Bad man on the road, road, road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga, so they really one nigga.
Now me a dance.